Leo forma o fio sama tu fala no lao ai ia te oi ni ko ia so na tu sa. Leo ma tu no ina ne li e ni kai o sa pati. O fa ko to ma fio te na te la we fo ma ma. O ma to mai tu fa te sio ma tu to. Mo ma tu fa me ina o e tu si. Awa o e lava le tua na e tau si mai ia e ma tau. O e o le tua na e mua na muni na e mafuta ia e matu i te umalaho le neka yasu. Leo o mawhai o te ngata o matu o le ni mafuta na whiwhi. O matu whiro a whiwhi la wiforo ma o na o wha maa o le alofa le o la whiwhi. Sao matu langi nei vi inga no matu pese le umo le tai hana. Mai le li i e le se me mawhai o matu tawi nai le ana le si pese le o la whiwhi ma o wha maa o ni ia matu. O na o matu noto mo matu wha leo ina. Mo matu langi no se vi ina. Mo matu wha le atu mo moro no whare. Ia vi ia. Masara vi ia e wha le ina ma wha whita ia o e le tua si lesi. Awa ana se noa la uwhi. Se manu matu te lea ia le ni tai ao o sapati. Matu te wha whita ia tu ia te o ia te ina wha le soifu e iau te nata. Wa noa ma se tala ma leo matu wha o mei. Leo matu ia ia wei whoro malu le li ia mara matu te tala ia te o ia te tala ina o matu roto o lau matu tuto. Ua sahu i la o fio e te whamambia i o te nata. Ina mia e kusama te tala o matu le resa ati. E te awa oina i mātou, e te awea ia i mātou ma e whawhaia ma e whatofoina i mātou o sisi ese ma laure le. Ina ia vea me le sāpate o se sāpate o whamia na ia mātou. Ai le le ia o mātou tālo ia te o wāwaina unga o mātou tāpo ina i o upa i le sāpate whamono. Ia ia le te inga ma e mana o labanga o mātou wheo le mga e vi ia o e lo mātou tanga. Lele ia ia viso a mātou e Palesia, o le mawhai o lo mātou ia ina ni tāpo ina, e la foi o la o una whaitua le atua, mātou te tinatu pe i la mawhi, e o le whātou to ia i o ia i le mauta o na o henga ia i ma o le tino le i le o mai o le lama o mātou ia. Ia le ngata ia te ia a miso a mātou e Palesia, o le malua mātou ia o tu ia le mana whai wāpenga, Alau fio whamono. Pa ia tu iai le au whamano o alau fio. Ere le sakati. O se sakati e mafuta whatasi ai ma alau fio. E nga ia le te ina ma whamia ma o e lo mātu i ma. E mātu umare li ia mira li foro ma whamano. Whamia mai o e lo mātu i tu. O i mātu umo mo whai o nasi asimai. O mātu mōre li ta o ina i umo. Ia le whamia ma whamitoa o e lo mātu i tu. Ere ia whai o iese kasi. O ina roi fore le maro o iese arena mawha i ate i. Ere ia mātu te siti ai tu umo o mātu fi. Pa i mai e a tau whai wāpenga o e lo mātu te mā. Whasa roto i ate i. Mātu o o se tāpo i na fio fia le ki sākati. Whamamia la o fio a mātu mai lau lau o na whai whiau. I tai o lau i Palesia me mātu una matina. Ata mama tutu o lau i Palesia se i o atu lau i se o pito i kiti. Ia whamia na whapitua a wāna fi. Te lia i mātu le nisa kati whamia. Whafti tere o whafronga mai, whaftai o whamambia, whaftai o whamahano i a mātou. I lo lau suafu i Jesu o mātu ore, o mātu te tāma tueni.
A Home for Worship by Alice Walker. My name is Alice and I am from the Solomon Islands. For many years, Adventist students studying in Suva, Fiji, were like nomads. We had no place to call our own. Every Sabbath was a difficult adventure. We moved from lecture halls to community centres, hauling heavy sound systems and musical instruments in taxis. We braved the pouring rain, shielding community utensils and flower vases under plastic sheets. We faced constant disruptions and limited space, but through it all, we longed for one thing, a spiritual home. Church leaders saw our struggle and shared a vision to build a center near the universities, a place to nurture future ambassadors for Christ. The turning point came in 2006. Through the 13th Sabbath offering, members from around the world gave generously. That global sacrifice secured the land at 7 Grantham Road. What was once just a dream began to rise in concrete and wood. This wasn't just a building, it was a living testimony that our global church family cared for its students. Today, the Pacific Tertiary Evangelistic Center, or PTEC, is a vibrant sanctuary. It is home to a contemporary choir, an outreach team that serves the local community, and a student association where young people learn to lead. Students like Sandra from the Solomon Islands say PTEC changed their lives. It is a place where young professionals are not just earning degrees, but are preparing for eternity. To our World Church, thank you. Your gifts built more than a church, you built a home. As we give today, let us remember that our offerings create places of purpose and connection for people just like us. Thank you for your 13th Sabbath offering, which supports mission work in the Solomon Islands and Vanuatu.
Is where the heart, my heart on home. Could I never really have put on my own? I've been given a key, I kept of carry. With interest paid, the title's meant to me. Oh, where is no light? Oh, where the sun is still light. The place I've been dreaming of so long. God was there to welcome me, but this need so much more than windows, walls, and doors. It's a warm embrace and smiling face awaiting you. Oh, there is no light. Oh, where the sun is alive, the days I've been dreaming all so long. Love was there to welcome me, but this sweet face will be the first I see. When my journey's over, I am going home. Oh, is the light. Oh, the sun is the light. The place I've been dreaming all so long. God was there to welcome me, but His sweet face would be the first I see. When my journey's over, I am going home. When my journey's over, I am going When the journey is over, we going home. Yeah, no other to one. Promise by that we go with that. We're going home. And after that, fire that tal, and the appeal that to sing, a lamarta or the same Mato Tomarlan. Mato Fafta for the year, and away for the Mato the poor fantasy. Is a real swing now of film. Sapatile di Dio, e una taia di matore di Dio, ne mafia la Europa, l'ottomani, ma tenendo fuanga na mafia, la lei e te fio mai fare mai tamaia te matore. Lo faierta olanga ne malibu e marsato. Passato tu ne mato mai le amsa. Mare tutongi ole amsa le Dio. Taira le Dio te mai na mato, talo ina le Dio. Aulo ma avio tomo no fiam familia e fe auma tetas. Afta isso. Amém.
Depois
Macam macam dia siang